Let's start with the brain, because this is the boss of the body. Everything you do, thinking, laughing, moving your hands, even dreaming, starts here. The brain sits safely inside your skull in your head. If you could hold it, you'd notice it's soft, wrinkled, and shaped a bit like a large walnut. It's about the size of a small melon, weighs around 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms, and has a grayish pink color. Even though it doesn't look strong, it controls your entire body every second without rest. Now think about your heart. You don't have to tell it to work, it just keeps going. Its job is to pump blood all around your body, carrying oxygen and food to every cell. The heart lives in your chest, slightly to the left. It's shaped like a cone and made of strong muscle. It's about the size of your clenched fist, weighs roughly 250 to 350 grams, and looks dark reddish brown. Every beat is a reminder that your body is alive and working. Next are the lungs, your breathing partners. Every time you breathe in, they pull oxygen from the air, and every time you breathe out, they push out waste gas. They sit in your chest, one on each side of the heart. The lungs are soft and spongy, shaped like two large bags. Together, they're about the size of two footballs, weigh around 1 to 1.3 kilograms, and are pinkish gray. Without the lungs, your body would run out of air in minutes. The liver is like a busy factory that never shuts down. It cleans your blood, stores energy, and helps digest food. You'll find it on the upper right side of your abdomen, just under your ribs. It's smooth, solid, and wedge-shaped. The liver is the largest internal organ, weighing about 1.4 to 1.6 kilograms, and has a dark reddish-brown color. Even while you sleep, your liver is still working for you. Kidneys. Let's talk about your kidneys, your body's cleaning filters. Their job is to remove waste and extra water from your blood to make urine. You have two of them, and they sit at the back of your abdomen on either side of your spine. Each kidney is shaped like a bean, about the size of a computer mouse. They weigh roughly 120 to 150 grams each and are reddish-brown. Quietly and constantly, they keep your blood clean. Stomach. When you eat, your stomach takes over. It mixes food with strong acids and breaks it down into a soft mush your body can use. The stomach is located on the upper left side of your abdomen. It's J-shaped and stretchy, almost like a thick balloon. When empty, it's small and weighs around 150 grams, and it has a pinkish inside. As it fills, it expands, which is why you feel full after eating. Small intestine. After the stomach, food moves into the small intestine where the real work happens. This is where nutrients from food enter your blood. It's found in the middle of your abdomen, coiled like a long hose. The small intestine is narrow but very long, about 6 meters, weighs around 1 kilogram, and is pinkish in color. Even though it's called small, it does a very big job. Large intestine. Now the large intestine steps in. Its job is to absorb water and turn leftover food into solid waste. It sits around the small intestine like a frame. It's shorter but thicker, about 1.5 meters long, weighs around 1.5 kilograms, and looks grayish pink. Thanks to the large intestine, your body doesn't lose too much water. Pancreas. The pancreas is a quiet helper that works in two important ways. It helps digest food and also controls sugar levels in your blood. It lies behind the stomach and is long and flat, shaped a bit like a leaf. It's about 15 centimeters long, weighs around 70 to 100 grams, and is yellowish pink. You may not think about it, but your pancreas helps keep your energy balanced every day. Spleen. The spleen acts like a blood inspector. It checks your blood, removes old cells, and helps your immune system fight sickness. It's located on the upper left side of your abdomen, near the stomach. The spleen is soft, oval-shaped, about the size of a fist, weighs around 150 grams, and has a dark purple color. It works quietly but plays a big role in keeping you healthy. Skin. Your skin is your body's protective cover. It keeps germs out, helps control body temperature, and lets you feel touch, heat, and pain. Skin covers your entire body. It's thin, flexible, and layered. It's the largest organ, weighing about 4 to 5 kilograms, and its color varies from light to dark depending on melanin. Every time you feel a hug or the sun's warmth, that's your skin at work. Esophagus. Think of the esophagus as a food slide. When you swallow, it pushes food from your mouth down to your stomach. It runs through your chest behind the windpipe. It's a long tube, about 25 centimeters in length, weighs around 50 grams, and is pinkish white inside. Even when you're upside down, it still moves food in the right direction. Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is your body's storage tank for urine. It holds urine until you're ready to release it. It's found in the lower abdomen and is balloon-shaped and stretchy. When empty, it weighs about 50 grams, but when full, it can grow to the size of a grapefruit. It has a pinkish yellow color and expands and shrinks many times a day. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland controls how fast or slow your body works. It affects energy, growth, and temperature. It sits in your neck, just below your voice box. It's butterfly-shaped, small, weighs about 20 to 30 grams, and has a reddish-brown color. Even though it's tiny, it has a powerful effect on your whole body. Eyes. Your eyes are your windows to the world. They help you see light, color, and movement. They sit in the eye sockets of your skull and are round like small balls. Each eye is about 2.5 centimeters wide, weighs around 7 grams, and looks white with a colored center. Every picture you see starts with your eyes. Gallbladder. Finally, the gallbladder is a small storage organ with a big job. It stores bile, which helps your body digest fats. It's tucked under the liver and shaped like a pear. It's about 8 to 10 centimeters long, weighs around 60 grams, and is greenish yellow. When you eat fatty food, the gallbladder knows exactly when to help.